Hi. Today we will talk about the Blood Sugar Support Plus. With the best reviews for you, we have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Blood Sugar Support Plus. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Blood Sugar Support Plus. The first thing you need to know about Blood Sugar Support Plus is, be careful about the website you will buy Blood Sugar Support Plus, because Blood Sugar Support Plus is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is Blood Sugar Support Plus and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Blood Sugar Support Plus works. Blood Sugar Support Plus is a capsule that contains grass-fed bovine pancreas, vitamins D3 and K2, magnesium, zinc, selenium, chromium, berberine, gymnema, cinnamon and banaba. 5 of these ingredients have been proven to reduce blood glucose levels without harmful side effects. Blood Sugar Support Plus will help restore healthy pancreas function by working on the root causes of sugar imbalance. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Blood Sugar Support Plus, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Blood Sugar Support Plus, and you can have results too. Within 3-4 days, you will notice that your blood sugar levels will start to drop naturally. However, you need to keep in mind that each person will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can test Blood Sugar Support Plus, and if you don't see results or don't like it for any other reason, they will give you your money back at any time. So be safe to use the Blood Sugar Support Plus, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Blood Sugar Support Plus to work, you have to take the treatment seriously. The simple solution is just to pop 1 or 2 capsules a day before eating, usually before breakfast. In this way, you slowly but surely restore healthy pancreas function. Otherwise you won't see great results and will actually be a bit frustrated. Also important for you to know, Blood Sugar Support Plus has no side effects. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Blood Sugar Support Plus, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Blood Sugar Support Plus really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.